Welcome back, everybody.
Yeah.
Today we are drawing
It's me, Mario.
Super Mario. So, top of the page, right about here, 3/4 up, we're going to draw an oval.
Hey, that Mario? No.
Then, on the side of the oval, we're going to have a line going up. And on the other side, you mimic the same thing, a line going up like that. So now, we are going to make his mustache. And his mustache has 6 tufts of hair. So we're going to do 3 on each side.
Yeah.
So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 to meet it in the middle. And then 1, 2, 3 to end it off that side.
Yeah.
Okay. So 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
And then another 1, 2, 3. There we go. And now we're going to draw his eyes.
Yeah.
So we start with another oval that's about the same size as his nose, but it's going to be upright. So it's going to go like that.
Yeah.
And the other eye. You made that one smaller. So now we're going to fill out that eye like that. Another line in the other eye. We do an even smaller one inside there, and then same thing on the other side. Yep. We're gonna leave a little white spot for a reflection.
Yeah.
Okay, so we leave a white spot in there and another white spot in there, and I'm going to color this pupil in. Same with the black, and that's his pupil. And now we're going to put eyebrows, happy raised eyebrows. You got yours?
Yeah.
So now, almost against the mustache, we are going to draw the top of his mouth, the top lip, and it's going to be just wider than his nose. So look at this. There we go.
Okay.
And we make a little smile there. Oh, it's a big smile. I said little. And I'm going to draw his teeth. And you got his teeth?
Yeah.
And now we're going to make a tongue. You got it?
Okay.
Yep, okay, that's fine. And on the side of his head, so it's just a line there and a line there. You got that? Now it's going to go wider on the side here. And the other side as well. And we're going to make a little jaw. And I'm going to draw some hair down here. Hair on the other side of his head.
Okay.
And we draw an ear.
The ear.
The ear on the other side. You got it?
Yeah.
And we draw the inside of his ear. Just another C shape. And another one on that side. So now from about there we're going to draw the top of the peak of his cap.
Okay.
Go take it across. And we just double up that line. You see?
That line, yeah.
We make a round shape there.
Around the shape, yeah.
And we can connect the hair there if you want to. Okay, yours is already connected.
Yeah.
Now we are going to take from the back here, we're going to draw a shape going right across to the other side.
Like so.
Yep. And now we can take, look at our markers. We've got little double-ended markers here.
Yeah.
So we take the thin side of our marker and we can make an M in here. Just because this one can be a bit more precise with the M.
Yeah.
You got it? Okay, you're doing the M.
Done.
That's good, that's good. So now we are going to color in his mustache black as well.
Yeah.
With the thick side of the marker. We are doing his mustache. Making that black.
5 minutes later.
And it is a me! It is a Mario!
Yeah.
So we both got Mario heads. The head is complete. I like yours. I like yours. Here's a chunky Mario.
No, not Mario.
Okay, so from here, you're gonna have to go a bit smaller. So your body has to be a bit smaller now. But because you're gonna run out of space if you keep it in proportion. If you keep the size as big, you're gonna run out of space. So look here, from his chin, we are going to draw a line down there. 2 lines at least. We make a point down there.
Yeah.
We make another one on the other side. You got it? And with a smaller marker, smaller point, we can add the little circle in there. And we add a circle in there. Because he's got buttons on his dangiri.
Yeah.
That's his clothes. Okay? So now, on either side, we're going to draw a tummy line. Yep. And over here, we're going to connect this line here. And watch me. So it goes behind these 2 straps. And yeah. It's his dangri. So now, we can draw from, if we find the middle, that's about the midpoint there. Am I right? The middle of the 2. And we draw just a little pointy shape there. And from there, from this end and that end, we're going to form a leg going down there and there. You got that? And on the other side, you do the same thing. A leg going that way and a leg going that way. Okay, so now, watch what I'm doing. I'm just making a rounded shape at the bottom of his trousers. Yeah, that's perfect. And on this side the same, rounded shape. And now we're going to draw the easiest shoes we've ever drawn.
Yeah.
So we just make a big rounded potato shoe.
Yeah, big round potato shoe.
Yeah. And another big rounded potato shoe.
And big round potato shoe.
And we got Mario shoes.
Yeah.
So now we have to draw a line coming down there, just about here. And we repeat the same thing that side. And we draw a shoulder line coming down there. These are his arms. And other side as well. And now we're going to draw, like we did with the pants.
Yeah.
We draw like a cuff shape there.
Go straight there.
And we can actually fold that line over. And we do the same thing on the other side. And we fold that line over.
Yeah.
So now he's got 2 arms. And now we're going to draw some fists. So this side we draw a line coming out like that. And we curl it back.
Curl it back.
We draw a line coming out.
Draw a line coming out.
Down this way and out that way again. Let's see. Okay. And we draw some fingers and that's his fist.
Yeah.
So we repeat the same thing on this side. Line coming out, curl it back.
Yeah.
Another line there, coming down and around, and we make another fist. Yeah, and you can draw the fingers. And there we have it.
Yeah.
That's our Mario.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's time for color.
Yeah.
So, I've got... Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified of any new videos.
Yeah.
Be good and have fun. Bye.